girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today I'm showing some clip-ins from Amazon. These ones are in the kinky straight texture in 18-inch, and I do have 2 packs that I'm going to install into my natural hair. As you can see, my hair is blown out. I am 100% natural, but my hair is blown out, so it will blend really nicely with the clip-ins. This is what 2 packs looks like. Now mind you, I have had these clip-ins for more than a year, and I've been wearing them on and off. My daughter wears them on and off. They really do last very long for them to be a human hair blend. Human hair blend means that there are some synthetic fibers, but there's mostly human hair fibers, so you can use heat on these, but to make mine last longer, I do not. They do have other options that do have a curl to them, so you can always just choose those, or you can apply heat. But just like our natural hair, heat does add damage, and if you want them to last, I would suggest just wearing them in their natural state, or you could roll them. I haven't tried rolling them, but I think that would work as well. So I separated my hair half up, half down. That's the style I'm going to do today. I just put 2 large braids in my hair and secured it with a bobby pin, or I think a rubber band, and then I started with the 4 clip and clipped 4 across. I put as many as I could in the back. These do get very nice and full and thick, so it doesn't take a lot of hair. And if you want, you could definitely get away with 1 pack, but y'all know I'm extra. I always have to have my hair stupid thick and stupid full. It's just how I like my hair to be dramatic. So in the back, I used the 5 clip for the top clip. That's the last one to go all the way across, and the 5 clip fit perfectly there. So once all the clips are put in the back, I go ahead and just take a little tiny bit of hair from the front section just to cover the clips, and I'm going to use a flat iron just to help that blend into the clips. This is my Babyless flat iron. It's literally my favorite. You can grab this off of Amazon, and I just use the chase method. I grab a rat tail comb and chase, the flat iron with the comb. I find it just allows me to do 1 pass and works really well. Just look at the way that blends. You cannot tell where my hair stops and the tracks begin. I absolutely love how these clip-ins blend with black girl hair. It just gives that relaxed or pressed out type of vibe, and I love it. So now working on the top, which is the ponytail piece, I go ahead and separate a small section out of my hair, and then I go ahead and use the 5 clip one and clip all the way across, and then I just fill in as I keep going with the smaller clips. So I just continue to add whatever leftover clips I have and just continue to fill in. Once I finish the top section, I just go ahead and secure the ponytail with a rubber band. And then if I have any extra, I'll just add it into the back to make sure that it's nice and full and that I don't have any clips just hanging around. What I love about clip-ins is that you can use a very minimal amount of heat and still come out with a very beautiful polished style, which I absolutely love. I just added a little bit of heat to the front and a little bit of heat on the parting area, and that's all I had to do to get this style to where it needs to be. So I took all the loose hair and put it into a ponytail, making sure not to incorporate any of the hair in the back. That's tied off with the ponytail as well. I use a hard bristle brush to go ahead and get all the hairs in place. Then I add a little hairspray to keep everything where it needs to be. I recently cut my hair into a bob so you can see some of it sticking out. If your hair is longer, you may not need to do this step, but I find it's super helpful for me to just get the pieces of my own hair out, wrap them with a little bit of the weave hair, and just wrap them around to give a band around and to also secure my hair so it's not sticking out of the ponytail. And I find that adding a little bit of the weave hair just helps it to stay in place. And this is what the look is giving so far. Absolutely loving it. It's nice and full and thick, and it's blending so beautifully with my hair. It looks so natural. I love wearing these clip-ins. I grabbed my edge booster. This is from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below to all this. Everything's from Amazon. The edge control, the hairspray, the clip-ins, everything's from Amazon. And it's very affordable, I might add. So I'll leave the links down below so you can check those out, and I'll also pin it in the comments down below as well. I went ahead and did my baby hairs. I just did one swoop on either side, and then I did my sideburns, and that's all I did for baby hairs on this day. So this is the end result. I went ahead and put my signature red lip on. This lip combo is from GLEEmade, so you can click the links down below and check those out. I went ahead and trimmed the ends just to give it that clean look, and I'm loving the end result. Let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comments down below if you have questions, and I'll be sure to get back to you. All right, you guys, make sure you're subscribed and hit that like button. I'll see you in the next one.